Breaking news in Wisconsin tonight, a federal judge has blocked a restrictive new anti-abortion law that was supposed to go into effect today. Republican Governor Scott Walker signed the law on Friday of the holiday weekend when he tweeted, "Spent the morning signing 18 bills into law at the Capitol." Those bills included such bipartisan and non-controversial legislation as a bill to increase public appreciation of the scenic nature and historical significance of the Rock River, and a bill regarding special license plates designed for the Lions Club of Wisconsin, and it included Senate Bill 206, relates to requirements to perform abortions requiring an ultrasound before informed consent for an abortion and providing a penalty. This bill improves a woman's ability to make an informed choice that will protect her physical and mental health now and in the future. Women have a choice as to the ultrasound they receive. Pregnancies that are the result of a sexual assault or incest are excluded from this legislation. Planned Parenthood and the ACLU have filed a federal lawsuit claiming the bill is unconstitutional. They won a victory tonight with the temporary restraining order. Joining me now is Nicole Safar, the Public Policy Director for Planned Parenthood Advocates of Wisconsin. Nicole, where does the case go from here, the one in which you've gotten this injunction?
So the next step is a hearing that the judge scheduled for a week from Wednesday to discuss whether or not we are able to get a preliminary injunction and further enjoin the law.
And when you read this law, what is this law really trying to do? Is it trying to shut down abortion in effect completely? Is it trying to shut down abortion clinics, providers?
Well, this law is just one in a step to put restrictions targeted specifically at physicians who provide abortion services, and ultimately to shut down facilities that provide abortion services. In Wisconsin, abortion is already extremely restricted and limited. There are only 4 health centers in the entire state where a woman can get an abortion, and this law would have had the immediate impact of shutting down 2 of those facilities, one of which is a Planned Parenthood clinic.
I want to read from Federal Judge William Conley's opinion and what he said tonight in his restraining order. He said there is a troubling lack of justification for the hospital admitting privileges requirement. Moreover, this court's review of the limited legislative history of the act does not reveal any medical expert speaking in favor of the act or otherwise articulating a legitimate medical reason for the admitting privileges requirement. The bill seems to be filled with that sort of stuff that the judge himself couldn't justify on any medical policy ground.
That's correct. I was really heartened to read that in the judge's opinion. The evidence is overwhelmingly, of medical experts, is overwhelmingly on the side of opposing laws like this. The Wisconsin Medical Society, the American Congress of Obstetricians and Gynecologists, every major medical organization that supports physicians who provide services for women opposes policies like this, and the judge, found it very clear that the other side could offer no evidence that there was a medical necessity for this kind of regulation.
And the law itself includes a civil component for enforcement of it that is beyond strange. It says if anyone violates this section, the mother, the father of the aborted unborn child or the grandparent of the aborted unborn child can sue for civil remedies under any abortion that violates the terms of this this law. So that would mean that if 2 people involved, a male and a female involved in pregnancy, decided that they wanted to end it, that their parents, no matter what their ages are, their parents could sue and interfere with that.
Right. I mean, that's a huge problem in these abortion restrictions that are being passed in Wisconsin. They almost all contain this open-ended civil liability aimed at physicians. And it's another way to intimidate physicians into not providing a service that is safe and legal in Wisconsin right now.
Nicole Safar, thanks for joining us on this Breaking News Night from Wisconsin.
Thanks so much.